Hey, it's Jabba. Welcome to TrainWorld Fun. This is a surprise to me. Now, you should know what it is. Whatever's in here, I'll put it in the thumbnail and the title of this video. But I got this package in the mail today, and I wasn't expecting it. Long story short, hopefully. Had problems with email a few months back. I had to change where my email went, and so I don't always see my emails. And so I didn't get the email I don't remember getting the email notification that this had shipped. So this will be a surprise to me. It's probably one of the many, many things I've pre-ordered that we're waiting on. So I hope it's something exciting. Oh boy. Look at this. That is some rolling stock. Collect them all. Rolling stock. That is a beautiful looking wagon. Wait, but there's more. We got another one. Rolling stock. Collect them all. Is this one a different one? All right, so this one appears to be a brake van, and this one appears to be a regular van. And is that it? Yes, it is. Okay, I wasn't expecting these. So let's go open these up and put them on the layout and give them a locomotive to pull this. I wish they would put the name there instead of rolling stock. So on the back it shows this Toby's Museum Coach 76032. So that's Toby's Museum Coach, and this is Toby's Museum Brake Coach. So that means we need to find Toby and have Toby pull these. And again, these were purchased, as you could tell from the box earlier, from TrainWorld.com. So let's go open these up. I hate the blister packs. So I haven't run Toby in a while, and he's running pretty rough. Come on, Toby, you can do it. Are you going to need some help? Let me see if that is what's going on here with Toby's wheels. Man, he's not doing good. Whoops. Thomas is trying to help you, Toby. Toby don't want help. Come on, Toby. It's getting warmed up. Back over there, Thomas. All right, we'll see if this will work. Uh-oh, you shouldn't still go that slow there. All right, so that is the museum coach. And we have the brake coach right there. We'll hook these up to Toby. Uh-oh, what happened there? Hitting the... Hopefully that won't be a problem later. All right, Toby, can you pull this load? Will this be too much for you, Toby? Come on, Toby. You don't want Thomas to have to help you. Oh, come on. All right, Toby, until you get warmed up, Thomas is going to help you. Probably should get something more on your speed than Thomas. Don't fight him, Toby. Let's see if he's warmed up now. Can you do it, Toby? You've abandoned Henrietta. There you go, Toby. Come on, Toby. You can do it, Toby. Nice. Just needed to get warmed up. We haven't forgotten about Henrietta, don't worry. Good job, Toby. So that is Toby with the museum coaches there. We got the brake van and the regular coach. And it seems to be working. Toby seems to be working now. He's happy. So there they are. What do you think of these coaches? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching Trains Are Fun. We'll be getting more of the new Thomas & Friends items as they come out. There's a lot more to come. And I probably don't say enough. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Trains Are Fun.